What's up guys, this is Chris. Today we want to discuss another business that I'm invested in, and that's hard money lending. Hard money is basically a type of investment where you provide the funds for somebody else's business, and in my case, that business is real estate. What is the barrier to entry? Well, I have different investors that lend me hard money. The lowest I've gotten is $10,000. And when I do lend money, I think the lowest I've gotten is $5,000. That's one time that happened, but anything else besides that has been $20,000 to $60,000 that I've lended my own money. How hard is it to find a customer? Well, that's not very hard. All you need to do is Google your regional real estate groups, Facebook groups, or go on some investors meeting, which I go all the time, and meet people there. Usually what you want to target is flippers. They generally need money to flip their next property, and this is your basic customer. I have talked about this topic before. I'm going to link the video down below and up here on a card if you want to watch it after you finish with this one. What about contracts? Well, contracts are pretty simple. It's a promissory note, depending how complicated you want to do it, but you want to have a contract that you actually are tied to the property, and it depends if you're first position, second position, third position, or so on. First position means that you are the first one to be paid in chain of command. Basically, if the person cannot deliver and the property has to be abandoned or sold to somebody else, when that property is being sold, you are getting your money first. And generally, first position is the most protected position, and they make the least amount of money. Second position is more riskier, so you should charge a little bit more, and so on and so forth down the chain. If you're in third position, you should make the most amount of money, for example. I land on first and second position. Sometimes flippers need some gap funds, which means that the original first position lender gave him 80% loan to value. Then maybe they gave him, say the first lender gave him 80% loan to value acquisition plus renovation, and they need that 20% to fill in the gap. Maybe the flipper himself came with 10% of that price, so now they need 10% gap fund, and sometimes that's where I come in, or sometimes I land on a first position. What money should you expect and what should you charge? Well, that changes. Currently, the ballpark price in the market of Jacksonville is 2 points and 12% APR, which means 2 points is 2% of the loan at the time of the loan is being given. So if I give you $100,000 today, when I'm giving them to you, you giving me 2,000 back. So in essence, I'm giving you 98,000, and 12% APR means that generally those loans are for 6 months. So basically 12% is 1% a month. Now, if the customer that you have uses the loan for 4 months, they only gonna pay you 4% of the loan. It's APR, it's annual percentage rate. But like I said, all in all, those loans are up to 6 months for the most part. It's up to negotiation, obviously, but usually they are 6 months long, which means for $100,000 amount for 12 months, you're going to be making $12,000 plus 2 points for the first 6 months and 2 points for the second 6 months of the year. That's 4 points. That's $4,000. So you basically making 16% on your money, and everything is up to negotiation. I've heard people charging 5 points and 10%, 3 points and 12%, 1 point. I have charged a customer 0.75 points and 12% as well for a shorter loan. It's up for negotiation, basically. How about taxes? Well, taxes are taxed as a regular income. This is the downfall of hard money lending. You don't need to do anything. You just give the money, and the money are making you money, which is the goal. But this is taxed on top of your regular income if you have that one. Like me, I have a W2 job. So say I make 60,000 this year and I make 20,000 from my hard money loans. That 20,000 will be taxed on the highest bracket, 60K regular job, and then that 20,000 will be taxed at the most bracket. I believe is like 25% right now. So from that $20,000, 5K will go for taxes. And if you follow this channel and you follow my real estate videos, you know that you can offset that by depreciating your property. So basically the only way I've found so far is if you have a lot of money to lend as a hard money lender or private money lender, whatever you want to call it, you just need to buy enough properties to offset that income so you can pay as zero taxes as possible. I've talked about that in my videos in real estate. I have a playlist up here and down below. Watch all the videos, and if you don't know something, you know, about the real estate, you will learn it. That's pretty much it for today. Please don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and comment down below. What's your experience? Are you interested in this type of business? Do you have any questions about it? and I'll make sure I answer it. Keep hustling, guys. See you next time.